It's great to announce today, indeed, our early stage fund. We talked about our later stage fund about 6 months ago, but there's so much interest in finding cures simply to new pathologies, and COVID has increased everyone's interest. But there's so many things that are not treated: cancer, neurodegenerative diseases, orphan diseases. So the list, unfortunately, is long, and we are trying to find the next entrepreneur to develop new drugs against those.
Well, it sounds like there's increased interest, as you mentioned, in life sciences, finding cures for diseases. But there's also a lot of other issues here in the world. Obviously, there's the desire to connect people remotely. There's desire to cure COVID. Can you tell me how much of this, in your mind, is seen as almost ESG investing or even impact investing, this interest in investing in your fund and companies that you invest in?
Great question. I mean, how much more impact can you be if you save people's lives? So I think, of course, we are very clear that ESG is central to investment policies, and healthcare investing, of course, has to be clearly an impact investing that will make a big difference to people's lives. So yes, we see this as a great way to create impact on the world.
So I know you're a European fund, but you've said that North America is a key focus. Why put such a focus on North America when you're a fund based in Europe?
Well, first of all, we invest in the US, but 1/3 of our monies will go to the US. But the US is central in the biotech ecosystem, and from the science that is developed there to, of course, the public markets. And NASDAQ has been huge in boosting this sector. So from our perspective, you need to have a global view. If you find a cure for cancer in Italy or in Denmark or in Austria, then you need to have a global view that, of course, includes the first market for healthcare in the world, which is the US.
So again, you kind of see this as impact investing in the healthcare space. Where does this fund fit in to your overall strategy and all the funds that you're basically managing right now? What's the best goal, I would say, of this one? What's the ultimate objective of this one, and how does it compare to the other funds that you have?
So this fund is number 10 in that capital strategy. That means that we've been going on for a long time with this, and that will look for the really early stage companies, seed and early stage. We have today 2.5 billion euros under management, and we invest throughout the life science ecosystem. So very, very early stage, like capital fund, to the very late stage, even public investing. So really this fund tries, with a team that is specialized in doing that, to locate the next BioNTech, the next Moderna, the next entrepreneurs that have the platforms that ultimately will lead to new therapies.